In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize photos using Capture One. We'll focus on keeping your library tidy and flexible by using folders and collections, and then we'll make your selects easy to find with ratings and color tags. First up, folders. In Capture One, the folder tree in your catalog or session mirrors your actual file locations on disk. Think of it as a live map of where your images really live. When you add, rename, or reorganize folders inside Capture One, the app updates the structure on your drive and keeps every reference intact. That's the key to a stable library. Avoid moving or renaming image folders in Finder or Explorer after they're in your catalog or session. If you do that outside the app, Capture One will lose the connection and you'll spend time relinking files. So if you want to tidy a client's folder, create a new year-based folder, or move a shoot into a better location, do it from the Folders tool within Capture One. It keeps everything synchronized and predictable. Now, collections, albums, projects, and groups. These are virtual containers that don't change the files on disk. Use albums to gather photos for a client, a shoot theme, or a year. Just drag images into an album, and they appear there without duplication. The same photo can live in multiple albums at once, which is perfect if you're building different edits or delivery sets from the same shoot. Projects and groups help you build a structure around those albums. For example, a project for a client with albums for each shoot, or a group for a year with albums for events. Because collections are virtual, you can rearrange them freely without touching the original files. To quickly narrow down your best images, use ratings and color tags. Star ratings run from 1 to 5 and can be assigned with the number keys. A simple approach is to pass through your images once to mark potential selects with 3 stars, then make a second pass to promote your favorites to 4 or 5. You can filter by rating to show only your top shots inside any folder or album, which makes culling much faster. Color tags add a visual layer of meaning. You might use green for selects and red for rejects, or create your own consistent scheme for categories like retouching, social media, or print. Because both ratings and colors are filterable in the browser, you can combine them, like showing only 5-star greens, to zero in on exactly what you need. Keep file operations in folders, creative organization in collections, and decisions in ratings and colors. This workflow keeps your library safe on disk and effortless to navigate in Capture One.